Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a testimonial slider inside your WordPress website using the Elementor free version. So as you know, for creating the testimonial slider, we used to upgrade to the pro version of Elementor. But in this video I will show you a free plugin with which you can create testimonial slider for free. And beside the testimonial slider, this plugin provides you a number of elements that you can use in your WordPress website, and all the elements have different styles available. Now you can check them out, but in this particular video we are only focusing on the testimonial slider. And before creating the testimonial slider, let me show you what exactly we're gonna achieve in this video. So as you can see, we have different style available for the testimonial slider. So this is the style 1, which is very simple, and this is the style 2, as you can see, which we can slide this from here. Also we can put the navigation arrows here, which I'll show you later in this video. And this is the style 3, and this is the style 4, and as you can see, if I click this, then this will change. And also you can set the autoplay, so this will play automatically. And obviously we can change the background, the colors, the images, which we will see later in this video. And this is also a good one. So as you can see, the style 5, and if I click the images, then this will keep changing the text, as you can see. Now they have used same images, but we will use different, and that will differentiate our testimonials. And this is the style 6, as you can see, again the same images use the same text, but we can change that. Also you can see the drop down arrow also, and that is what we can create with Elementor Pro also. And this is the style 7, and all of these styles are available for free. And this is the 8, and this is the 9. Now this plugin also provides you, if you want, you can create a testimonial grid like we create a post grid. Now let's see how we can create a testimonial slider. So let's go to our dashboard. Actually I have created a subdomain for tutorials, so this is the one. And make sure you have installed Elementor. And now we will create a new page. So create your first page. Okay, now let's change the setting of the page. So I'll choose the template to Elementor full width. So for creating the slider, we're going to use an add-on plugin for the Elementor, which is called HT Mega Add-ons. So as you can see, this is the full name of the plugin, HT Mega Absolute Add-ons for Elementor Page Builder. Now you can copy the name, and now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. I forgot to add the plugin. Go to plugins and click add new, and now search for that plugin. So I can simply write HT add-ons, and you will see HT Mega Absolute Add-ons. So click on install now. Once you activate the plugin, this will take you to the setting page of that plugin. So as you can see, this is the pre version, and we have 84 elements and all these things. You can also get its pro version, but for the testimonial we can use the pre version. So once you activate the plugin, then go back to Elementor and refresh the page so that we get the elements from that plugin. And now if I collapse the basic, the general, then you will see that HT Mega Add-ons, and we can use all these elements. So for creating the testimonial slider, we can search for testimonial, and you can see testimonial grid, which is by HT Add-ons, and also the testimonial by HT. So drag and drop the first one, and as you can see, this is the style 1 that I showed you earlier in this video, this one. Now if you want to change the style, then you can choose here. This is the style 2, which will look like this, and it is showing one slider. If I want to increase this, then I can go to slider option, and I can increase it here. and now it will show 3 items. And here you can choose any of the style you want. If you want to check the preview of the style, then I'll provide this link down in the description, so you can pick any of the styles. Now you can choose any of the style that suits you, and you can customize the text and the images. So I will do one, and then you can learn that how you can do the changes. So to make changes, you can click this one. Now here you can change the name, which is this one, and you can put an image here, and you can also change the designation, which is this one. You can also write a country name here, and this is the main text. So let me customize the first one, and then you will be able to customize all of them. So for the name, I'll write this one. For the designation, I'll write, and for the text, I'll write something like this. So that is how you can change the text. Now to add an image like this, you can click here, and you can use an existing image, or you can upload a new one. So to upload a new one, you can select files, or you can drag and drop a file here. So let's upload this one. And we'll click insert media, and that is how you can put an image there. And if I scroll down to slider option, then here you can customize the slider, and here you can customize the slider items that I showed you earlier. And here you can turn on and off the slider arrows, which are these. You can also customize the icon, and you can also turn on the dots. So we don't have the dots for now. If I turn this on, then we will be able to see the dots when I preview this page. Now you can customize this as you want. If I go to style, I can customize the image, the name, the designation, its colors, etc. For example, I change its color to red, then as you can see, the name color is now red. For the designation, I choose another color like this one. And client say that is the text here. I can also make this a little blur, and this is the pagination, and so on. And if I want, I can customize the section a little bit. So let's give it a padding of 50 and a background color. Now you can play around it, and you can customize it with your own. So that is how you can create a testimonial slider with a free version of Elementor. Hope the video will help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.